Good morning to all. Today we learn about interferential therapy. Interferential therapy, now we go through the definition. It is the production of low frequency current in the body tissue by the simultaneous application of two different medium frequency current. As it is obtained as a result of an interference of two different medium frequency current, it is called as an interferential current. So by using of that medium frequency current, there is a production of one low frequency current. Production: two medium frequency current with slightly differing frequency are applied transcutaneously in such a way that they cross and interact to produce a low frequency therapeutic current at relevant point. When two currents of differing frequency are allowed to interact, an intersecting effect occurs. Now we see in this figure there is a channel 1 and channel 2. By intersecting these two, that in between middle of that there is a presence of a production of interferential current. For example, current A is a sine wave form. The frequency is f1. Current B is also sine wave with same amplitude, but the frequency is slightly higher than the current A with the frequency f2. When two are added together, the current wave form C will result. Medium frequency A plus medium frequency B, that is the production of low frequency C, that is current C. Current B fall in and out with her alternatively reinforcing and weakening it. It is the frequency between the F1 and F2. This resultant wave C is also sinusoidal, having a frequency F. F is the frequency between F1 and F2, that is the F is equal to F1 plus F2 divided by 2. In machine, medium frequency current is applied to the body are about 4000 Hz. This being a frequency at which the effective skin impedance is at a minimum. The IFT unit would give output as, for example, frequency of current A would be fixed at 4000 Hz. Frequency of current B would be fixed at 4100 Hz. The resultant current C is having a frequency is 4050 Hz, but it varies in amplitude. So amplitude modulated frequency, that is B minus A, is equal to 100 Hz. That is F2 minus F1, 4100 minus 4000, that is 100. So that is the frequency of amplitude modulated frequency, and it also called as a bit frequency. What is a bit frequency? The frequency of the resultant current is known as a bit frequency. Bit frequency is equal to the difference between two medium frequency currents, and it is lies between 0 to 100 Hz. Bit frequency may be kept constant or varied rhythmically so as to prevent accommodation. If two medium frequency current remain constant, bit frequency will be constant. Current at a constant frequency lead to gradual diminished response due to habituation of the particular current. So it is corrected by continuously varying the bit frequency, which is called as a frequency swing. Types. Now go through the types of frequency. There are a constant bit frequency and variable bit frequency. Constant bit frequency, it is called as a selective bit frequency. Different selective bit frequencies can be selected in between 0 to 100 Hz. In variable bit frequency, it is also called as an automatic bit frequency. Various variable bit frequencies can be used. Therefore, IFT machine has a one medium frequency current at a constant frequency at 4000 Hz, while frequency of second one is variable between 4000 Hz and 4100 Hz. This frequency is swing, or you can say as in a sweep. This allows the variable bit frequency between 0 to 100. The machine can be set to automatically change one of the medium frequency continuously to give a continuous varying bit frequency. The pattern of the sweep makes a significant difference to the stimulation received by the patient. Most machines offer several sweep patterns. This sweep frequency in that nerve will accommodate to a constant signal, and a sweep is often used to overcome this problem. The sweep should be appropriate to desired physiological effect. The mode of delivery of the selected sweep varies with the machine. As we see that most commonly the machine gradually changes from the most machine offer several sweep patterns. The machine gradually changes from the base to the top frequency, usually over a time period of 6 seconds. For example, if a 10 to 25 Hz ranges has been selected, the machine will deliver a changing frequency. Now we see in this figure there is a 10 Hz and 25 Hz is there. Starting at a 10 Hz rising to 25 Hz over a 6-second period. Once the upper limit has been achieved, the frequency will once again fall. This pattern is repeated throughout the treatment. There are a different type of pulses is there, that is a triangular, rectangular and trapezoidal. Mainly this pulses, it is used for different type of condition, that is according to acute, chronic and subacute. If acute cases is there, then use a triangular type of pulses. If chronic one is there, then using rectangular type of pulses. And if subacute cases is there, then trapezoidal type of pulses is used. There are types of electrodes. There are mainly two types of electrode: plate electrodes and vacuum electrodes. This plate electrodes, it is a simple plate which is covered with the absorbent material. Nowadays, plate of a conductivity rubber which are more comfortable and long lasting are used. So mainly rubber type of electrode is used, and for the medium we are using a gel. Vacuum electrode, the IFT unit is plug in a vacuum unit, rubber suction cup connected to a machine capable of producing a vacuum. In that, one rubber suction cup is there and it is connected with one unit. There are really plate electrodes kept in a position by a vacuum instead of bandaging. So for that electrode over that area we are using a vacuum, but for the other electrode there is a need of the bandaging. So for the stabilization in this, we are not using any type of bandage. Around the neck of the cup, it is a rubber collar covering a small hole. By lifting the collar, air is let into the cup, thus allowing the electrode to be moved. Now we go through the electrode placement. Electrode positioning should be ensure adequate coverage of the area for stimulation. Placement of the electrode should be such that a crossover effect is achieved in the desired area. Now in this figure, mainly there are two type of technique is used: quadripolar technique and bipolar technique. In quadripolar technique, the 4 electrodes are used and it is cross each other. Second, that is bipolar technique. In that only 2 electrode are used. That means there is only one channel is used. Use of interferential therapy. There are 5 main clinical use for which IFT appears to be a beneficial. First one, that is relief and management of acute and chronic pain, muscle stimulation, increased blood flow, reduction of edema, stimulating of soft tissue healing and repair. Treatment parameters. According to the affection, we are using a different type of parameters. For sympathetic nerve stimulation, we are using 1 to 5 Hz. For parasympathetic, 10 to 150. For motor, 10 to 50. For sensory, 90 to 100. For nociceptive fibers, 90 to 150. For the smooth muscle contraction, 0 to 10 Hz. In that treatment parameter, one more thing is that there is an intensity, and it is about the tolerance of the patient. Second, that is the duration. Mainly the whole treatment, that is about 10 to 30 minutes. Vary widely according to the usual clinical parameter of acute and chronic condition and the type of physiological effect is desired. For acute condition, mainly 5 to 10 minutes is used. For chronic condition, mainly 20 to 30 minutes is used. Now for that indication, that we see the pain relief is there. For the pain relief, we use this interferential current, such as post-traumatic pain, reflex sympathetic dystrophy, for the relaxation of the muscle spasm, prevention and retardation of disease atrophy, for the muscle re-education, for the maintained range of motion. Other than that, there is a peripheral vascular diseases, orthopedic conditions such as fracture complication, delay union, hematoma, contracture. In a tendinitis is also help such as in lateral epicondylitis, osteoarthritis, ankylosing spondylitis, frozen shoulder, chondromalacia. Some gynecological problems such as stress incontinence, urinary frequency, pelvic floor dysfunction. For the pain in that low back pain, sciatica, phantom limb pain, these are the condition in which we are using this interferential current. Thank you.